Trigonometry ratios up to transformations. Trigonometry ratios up to transformations. In this most important electives, we are discussing the most important electives. Okay, so here the first question, if a plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees, okay, that means this is a triangle. In triangle, always a plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so then show that sine 2a plus sine 2b plus sine 2c is equals to 4 sine a sine b sine c. We have to prove this. We have to prove this. Okay, so now what we have to do here? Okay, so given, what is given here? Write the given data. Okay, so here given a plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees. A plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees. It is a given data, and take the LHS. Take the LHS. Okay, so what is the LHS here? LHS is equals to sine 2a plus
2a plus
sine
sine 2b plus
2b
sine 2c.
plus sine 2c plus sine 2c. Okay, mostly, okay, the procedure whatever we are applying, the procedure is approximately similar. 90%, 80%, 80% procedure is similar for all the questions. Okay, so here what we do? Okay, so first take this first two terms, okay, and applying sine c plus sine d formula. Now I am applying sine c plus sine d. Okay, so what is sine c plus sine d formula? Okay, so here sine c plus sine d, sine c plus sine d is equals to
2 sine
sine.
c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2.
Very good, very good. Sine formula sine cos cos sine, plus means first part, minus means second part. Plus first part is sine cos. So 2 sine c plus d by 2, c plus d by 2. Okay, so into cos c minus d by 2, cos of c minus d by 2. Okay, so here, okay, so once again, what is the formula, ma? Repeat once again, this. Okay, so
2
sine.
sine c plus sine d is equal to 2 sine c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2.
Yes. Okay. So now I am applying the formula. Now I am applying the formula. So now this is equals to 2 into sine of c. C is nothing but here. This is c. This is d. Okay. 2a and 2b. 2a and 2b. Okay. C plus d. 2a plus 2b by 2. 2a plus 2b by 2 into cos of c minus d. Okay. That is 2a minus 2b whole divided by 2, whole divided by 2. Okay, now this is equals to 2 into sine of, take 2 common, then it is a plus b, and one more term we have plus sine 2c is there. Okay, write that sine 2c as it is, no change in this. Okay, taking 2 common in the numerator. Okay, so 2 into a plus b by 2, okay, into cos of, taking 2 common here, 2 into a minus b by 2, a minus b divided by 2, okay, plus sine 2c as c. Okay, now here we can cancel the 2 and 2, this 2 and this 2. Here also we can cancel the 2 and 2. If we cancel the 2 and 2, then remaining is 2 into sine of a plus b, sine of a plus b into cos of a minus b, cos of a minus b. Okay, plus sine 2c, plus sine 2c. Okay, so now here, okay, so after this sine 2t, this a plus b. Okay, we have the form here given that a plus b plus c is equals to, okay, so given that, okay, so what is given in the question? Okay, what is given in the question? Given that a plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees. A plus b plus c is equals to 180 degrees. So here I am converting this a plus b into c. Okay, what is a plus b? A plus b is equals to 180 minus c. A plus b is equals to 180 minus c. Okay, I am going to replace this 180 a plus b with 180 minus c. Okay, then we get, okay, 2 into sine of a plus b. A plus b means 180 minus c. 180 minus c and cos of a minus b. Cos of a minus b sine 2c we have. Okay, sine 2 theta formula. What is sine 2 theta formula? 2 sine theta into cos theta. That is nothing but 2 sine c into cos c. Okay, so here this is equals to 2 into sine of 180 minus theta. 180 minus the second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive. In second quadrant, sine is positive. So that is nothing but we get sine c, and positive. Okay, 2 sine c and cos of a minus b. Okay, plus 2 sine c into cos c. 2 sine c into cos c. In both of these terms, 2 sine c, 2 sine c. We can take 2 sine c common. We can take 2 sine c common. If you take 2 sine c common, then what we get? Okay, once check this. Cos of a minus b plus sine c we get. Okay, what we took common here? We took 2 sine c and 2 sine c. Okay, other than these 2 sine c, what we have? Cos of a minus b and cos c we have. Cos c we have. Okay, so now I am taking 2 sine c common. So that is nothing but remaining is cos of a minus b plus cos c plus cos c. Okay, this common, cos of a plus a minus b and cos c. Okay, now this c, okay, in place of c again I am replacing here. Okay, again I am using, okay, so here a plus b is equals to 180 minus c. If you want, I want c, only c. I want only c. Sending this a plus b to that side, sending a plus b to that side, then c is equals to 180 minus of a plus b. 180 minus of a plus b, right? Okay, plus a plus b, I am taking to that side, minus of a plus b, or minus a minus b. Minus a minus b. Instead of c, I am going to replace 180 minus of a plus b now. Okay, so now this is equals to 2 sine c as it is and cos of a minus b as it is plus cos c. Cos c I am replacing with 180 minus of a plus b, minus 180 minus of a plus b. Okay, so now this is equals to 2 into sine c into cos of a minus b plus, when we have 180, we cos replace with cos only. So that is cos a plus b, and 180 minus theta is in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. So plus into minus becomes minus. Plus into minus, that is nothing but finally we get minus here. Okay. So now here either you can use the direct formula or otherwise cos a plus b, cos a minus b formula also you can use. Okay. So 2 sine c into, what is cos a minus b formula? What is cos formula? Cos, sine, sine. Both terms, both cos terms, then both sine terms. When we have plus, we get minus. Minus means we get plus. Okay. Here cos formula is cos a minus b. Cos a cos b. Tell me, what is cos formula? Cos a cos b minus
cos b minus sin a sin.
Minus we have minus, so plus we take. Okay.
Plus sin a sin.
Very good. Plus sin a sin b. Okay, minus as it is, I am writing here cos a plus b formula. What is cos a plus b formula? Okay, again.
Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b.
Yes, cos a cos b. Okay, minus sin a sin b. Good. Minus sin a sin b. Okay. So now this is equals to 2 into sin c, 2 into sin c, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b plus sin a sin b minus, I am multiplying by minus, minus cos a cos b minus cos a cos b, minus into minus plus, okay, sin a sin b, sin a sin b. Okay, so now here what we can cancel? What we can cancel here? When we are subtracting, always remember, okay? So first part gets cancelled. Already I told you. First part, cos cancel, we get second part, sin part. Okay? If we are adding, then we get the first part. Adding means first part, subtracting means second part. Okay? So now, what is remaining here? So just write that 2 sin C as is, and okay, remaining is sin A sin B sin A sin B. Okay, that is 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B. Okay, 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Sin A sin B sin C. Okay, sin A and sin B and sin C. Okay, what we have to prove? Check the answer once. Okay, what we have to prove? Okay, so 4 sin A sin B sin C we have to prove. Okay, so here 4 sin A sin B sin C, which is equals to RHS, which is equals to RHS. Therefore, okay, so what is final answer? Final conclusion: sin 2A sin 2A plus sin 2B sin 2B plus sin 2C sin 2C is equals to 4 into sin A sin B and sin C. Okay, this is a required solution. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If A comma B comma C are angles in a triangle, prove that sin A plus sin B plus minus sin C is equals to 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. Okay, so this is given by the board model paper 2021. Okay, so now what is given? ABC are angles in a triangle. Okay, so here first write the given data. So given that A comma B comma C are angles in a triangle. Angles in a triangle. Okay, so that is nothing but if they are angles in a triangle, then A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, he gave indirectly. Okay, he gave this indirectly. A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, so now take the LHS part here. So LHS is equals to sin A plus sin B minus sin C. Sin A plus sin B minus sin C. Okay. So what formula we have for sin C plus sin D? Okay. So what is sin C plus sin D? First of two terms I am applying the formula sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D. Sin formula is sin cos sin. Okay, what is first part? Plus means first part, sin cos. So that means 2 sin C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Okay, once again read the formula, ma. Okay, what is the sin C plus sin D formula?
2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2.
Yes. Okay, so now if we apply this formula, okay, so then we get, okay, 2 into sine of C plus D by 2. That means A plus B by 2. C plus D by 2. Okay, so into cos of C minus D by 2. That is A minus B by 2. Okay, minus sin C as it is. Now, okay, so here A plus B, what we can replace with A plus B or A plus B by 2. Okay, so and C also, sin C also. Okay, we convert this. Okay, so here I am writing this. What is given? ABC are angles in a triangle. What is given? ABC
are angles in a
triangle. Okay, so that is nothing but what we can take from that. Okay, we can take A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Then A plus B is equals to 180 minus C. A plus B is equals to 180 minus C. Okay, so if you want A plus B by 2, either you can take there here or you can take that. So dividing by 2 on both sides, A plus B by 2 is equals to 180 by 2 is 90. 90 minus c by 2 we can write. 90 minus c by 2. Okay. And if you want c by 2, I am writing here now only c by 2. Then 90 minus a plus b by 2 we get. 90 minus of a plus b by 2 we get. Okay, understood this? Usually
Yes,
only
sir.
c value means 90 minus of a plus b. Okay, so c by 2 means 90 minus of a plus b by 2. This c by 2 taking this side, a plus b by 2 taking that side. Okay, and afterwards we are going to use another formula also here. Okay, that is sine 2 theta. What is sine 2 theta? 2 sine theta into cos theta. Okay, so here this 2 is as it is, and the sine of a plus b by 2. A plus b by 2 is 90 minus c by 2. 90 minus c by 2. Writing this as it is. And the cos of a minus b by 2. Cos of a minus b by 2 minus sine 2 theta formula here we are applying. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta into cos theta. Sine theta means 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Half angle formula. Okay, that means 2 sine c by 2 into cos c by 2. 2 sine c by 2 into cos c by 2. Okay, so now this is equals to 2 into sine 90 minus theta. What is sine 90 minus theta? Cos theta. Okay, that is cos c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2. Cos of a minus b by 2 minus 2 sine c by 2 into cos c by 2. Okay, so in both of the terms, 2 sine c by 2 is common. 2 cos c by 2 is common. If you take 2 cos c by 2 common, what is remaining here? Okay, so cos of a minus b by 2, cos of a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2. Okay, so here what we took common? 2 cos c by 2, 2 and cos c by 2 common. What is remaining here? Cos of a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2 is remaining. Okay, so we written the same thing there. Okay, so now again convert this c by 2 into a in terms of a. So what we can write the c by 2? 90 minus of a plus b by 2. 90 minus of a plus b by 2. So this is equals to 2 into cos c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2, cos of a minus b by 2 minus sine of c by 2. What is c by 2? 90 minus of a by 2. 90 minus of a plus b by 2. Okay. 90 minus of a plus b by 2. Okay. So now, next page, 2 cos c by 2 is as it is. 2 cos c by 2. This is equals to 2 into cos c by 2 is as it is. Okay. So after that, this cos of a minus b by 2. Okay. So cos of a minus b by 2, I am writing as it is. Okay. So then, what is the sine 90 minus theta? Sine 90 minus theta means 90. Whenever we have 90, replace the cos of theta. Okay, that means cos of. Okay, so this minus as it is cos of a plus b by 2. Cos of a plus b by 2. Understood here? Okay, so sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. Okay, replaced with cos theta. Okay, so now here this is equals to 2 into cos c by 2. 2 into cos c by 2. We can write this as cos of. Okay, so a by 2 minus b by 2. A by 2 minus b by 2 minus cos of a by 2 plus b by 2. A by 2 plus b by 2. Either you can, okay, so apply the formula cos a minus b minus cos a plus b. Either you can apply direct formula or otherwise cos a plus b normal formula. Okay, cos a plus b formula. What is cos a plus b formula and cos a minus b formula?
Sir, cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B.
Yes.
For here, for this it is plus.
Okay, yes, yes. Okay, so cos formula is cos cos sin sin. Cos A plus B means cos A cos B minus sin A sin. Cos A minus B means we get plus. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, so now I am applying the formula here. Cos A by 2 minus B by 2, direct formula. Okay, so cos A by 2 cos cos. Okay, cos B by 2 minus means we get plus. Okay, so then sin A by 2 into sin B by 2, sin A by 2 into sin B by 2, minus of. Okay, so what we can write as the cos of A plus B by 2. What is cos A by 2 plus B by 2? Okay, that is cos formula again, cos cos only. Cos A by 2 cos B by 2. When we have plus in the middle, we get minus here. Okay, sin A by 2, sin A by 2 into sin B by 2, sin B by 2. Okay, so now the remaining whatever we have. Okay, so write it as this. So this is equals to 2 into cos C by 2 into. Okay, so just I am expanding here, cos A by 2 cos B by 2. Okay, plus sin A by 2 sin A by 2 into sin B by 2. Okay, minus of multiplying by minus inside, cos A by 2 into cos B by 2, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus sin A by 2 into sin B by 2, sin A by 2 into sin B by 2. Okay, so here what we can cancel, first part or second part, we have minus sign in the middle. Whenever we have the minus sign in the middle, okay, so which part gets cancelled? Okay,
So cos A, cos B, cos A by 2, cos B by 2, and minus cos A by 2, cos
cos
B
B
by
by 2 gets cancelled. We get the second part. Okay, addition means we get the first part, subtraction means we get the second part. Second part is sin sin. Okay, so that part only we are getting here. Okay, so now this is equals to 2 into cos C by 2, 2 into cos C by 2 as this, and sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin A by 2 sin B by 2, 2 sin A by 2, 2 sin A by 2 and sin B by 2. Okay, so 2 into 2, what is 2 into 2? 2 into 2 is 4 and sin A by 2 sin B by 2. Okay, writing the order. Okay, the A B C order angles. Okay, and cos C by 2. Okay, what we require here, what we have to prove here. Okay, 2 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2 only. Okay, so once check the answer here. Okay, so 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. This is required RHS. Required RHS. Hence, okay, therefore, so LHS and equal to RHS. LHS equals to RHS. Hence, okay, so what is proved here? Okay, sin A plus sin B minus sin C is equals to 4 into sin A by 2 sin B by 2 cos C by 2. Okay, so this is proved. This is proved. Understood?